So we'll continue our modeling process for this shaft also. Okay, let's. Okay, now first video we have modeled this housing. So we have one part, we have main assembly file, and in this main assembly file we have one housing only. Okay, few more parts we need to have. So I'll add one more part. So let's float it. Okay, open in a separate window. Okay, so from here I want to model this part, and yeah, you can see that this is also can quite done by the revolve tool itself. Is the overall length, which is approximate to 100. I'll keep 100. Okay, okay, you can see this is a eccentricity, so you don't have to do it now. Okay, that's it. The diameters, here it is 12. So axis line, okay, 6, enter, and this is a 19 dia, enter, 18, sorry, this length is 18, enter, and then 15 or 20, 21, 58 to 20, 21. So 58 plus 20 plus 21. Okay, 58 plus 20 plus 21. Okay, okay, here the angle is not known. So what we will do, we will assume it. Now exit, revolve it. That's it, let it go. So that's it, let it be. Now the next thing, we'll have to make this eccentricity. So how can we do that? Select this plane, sketch, and then one circle, but don't make center point and write it here origin. This is what the meaning of eccentricity, guys. Sorry, and this circle and this circle, make sure it is tangency, and the center point of this, make sure it is vertical. What is the diameter given for that eccentricity? It is 19. Okay, so 19 only. Exit. The shaft diameter is somewhat given as not 19, 15 only. How can I say that? You can see that. Okay, the next thing we'll have to make this keyway also. Okay, we have not done this eccentricity yet. So I have a sketch, click on the extruded base of boss, and things, yeah, it is selected. And for start condition, I'll make sure offset, which is a 21, and in the condition will keep blind, and I'll keep 20, enter. So reverse direction and reverse direction. Okay, okay. Now we'll have to make this keyway also. You can see it is keyway can be easily visible from the top view. So what I'll do, I'll just click on this top plane, sketch. I'll make a keyway like this way. Okay, Okay, R4, 10 length, 10 enter, and radius is 4. So 4, and the gap is 5. From here to here is 5. So this distance is not, I think it is 2. Yeah, 2 is fine. Now exit, control 7. Now you can see this is overall diameter of 12, having the depth of 2. That means, okay, sketch is already selected. We have to use the extended cut option on reverse direction up to next. Okay, and make sure the start condition like 10, enter, enter, reverse direction. Click on OK. Okay, I think 8 will be fine. Okay, okay, understood. So 12, 6 minus 2, 4. So the value has to be 4. Okay, keyway format, right? The next, we need to put one hole, M4 tab. So click on this hole wizard. So the position, set this, set the origin point, and go to type. And I want M4 tab holes there. There's a length of that tab which is not given again. Okay, let it be. You don't have to be a struggle like this. Okay, now if you observe it clearly, it is having the chamfer at this side. The chamfer dimension is also missed there. Okay, we'll consider it. Okay, let's keep one value. Okay, that's it. We'll see about assembly later. We'll model every single part. Then we see about it. Assembly. So what is this? This is the shaft 2. Let's rename it shaft 2, enter. Okay, and then the cap. I think from here onwards the parts are very easy. Note, from pen, sketch. Okay, I'm just taking one line command. I'm making sketch like this way. Okay, now give dimensions. 23 is the overall height. 23, enter. The thickness is, I don't know, but from here to here which is 18, enter. This OD is given. Okay, we have small detail here. Before we missed it. Yeah, delete this line. Select line command again. 40. Okay, let's go from inside. 35, 24. 35, 24. Okay, what is our length? Which is 10 mm, 16 mm. So this is 10 mm, and then this is 16 mm. Okay, I think this line is not transmitted properly. Coincident. No, the gap is, don't know, but it is 16. Okay, and this diameter is 38.15. 8.15. And what is the diameter of this? It is 40 double 40 mm and 56. Okay, now exit, control 7, use revolve tool, click on OK. What is the radius? R3. Okay, the next thing, on PCD is not given. So diameter 3 up to depth of 3. What is PCD? It is not given. Okay, let's review it. Position. Yeah, size we need to decide. So not all the drill sizes. So 3 it is, right? I have to go for 3. That's it. Now I want 3 more holes circularly. So I'll use circular pattern. Any reference? Okay, that's it. I think this is end condition is not properly. Yeah, it is okay. 3 means 6 is also fine. Okay, that's it. Okay, okay. Mm, Next part we'll see in the next video. Until then, bye.